everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. Today this haul is coming from CRICUT. Just let you know, I have actually purchased all this stuff myself, but I have to say, is CRICUT going crazy or mad or something? Because I'd placed 2 orders and they've sent me 2 freebies and they're both the same, so I'm going to remove one of the boxes and then we'll unbox the other one. Let's dive in and see what I got for free twice over. Well, as you can see, it is the CRICUT hat press. Now, to get this free, all I had to spend was £75, and then this come free, which I just find absolutely crazy, considering this is a £140 retail price. This has been on one of my lists of things I've wanting, but it wasn't like, yeah, I really need it type of thing, and I'm so glad I didn't buy it, because I'd have been gutted now that I've actually got 2 for free because I placed 2 different orders. One of the orders that this come free with was the 15-ounce mugs, which I'm not going to show you them because it's just a massive box of mugs, but yeah, that's that. But to get it for completely and utterly free, I just think is crazy, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like in person. So we'll just open this up carefully. So we've got all the instructions here, and then we've got the actual hat press there, and then we've got the stand for it as well. It's quite a weighty stand, and then in here is your like hat form, I presume they're called. So yeah, it just gives you an allergy warning here, because there is apparently walnuts in here. Luckily I don't actually have any allergies like that, so that's good. So it means I could use it. Yeah, so absolute bargain for free. I'm like, can't wait to actually have a little play. I do feel like, I don't know if anyone else does, but does like CRICUT give you the vibe of Apple, the way that they produce and package their products? I mean, I do absolutely love CRICUT, and I love that this hat press actually matches my CRICUT machine as well, which is really good. So yeah, that was what I got for free, guys, times 2. There's no point in me, like I say, unboxing yet another one. I'd say though, normally like you get like a hat to, or like, you know, when you just get a CRICUT thing, you get like little things. Maybe there is a little thing that you can put on a hat, but they don't physically give you that. So yeah, I'd say like, if anything, that's what I would have done if I was CRICUT. I would have given at least one hat so you could have a go. And also I'm thinking, are they actually discontinuing the hat press, and that's why they're giving it away? Because when I went to my local Hobbycraft, then they was also doing the same offer, apart from you only had to spend £70 with them, not 75. So I'm just wondering, are CRICUT just not, like, it didn't go very well, so they're getting rid of them all? I don't know. But let's get on to the actual haul bit that I bought. So as you can see, I have actually purchased some hats, and they were selling them again in the sale, which was just crazy. I can't exactly remember how much they were, and there's no prices on my invoice, so I can't even tell you that. But it was basically, if you wanted 12, it was cheap to buy them in packs of 3. That's what I do remember off the website, but I don't want to go crazy buying them because I may not like it. The hat press didn't cost me anything, so I just bought 2 sets of the hats, and I think they were around about £15 for the 3. I could be wrong, £12–15, something like that. And also they had their t-shirts as well, which these were also half price, so whatever they were, yeah, I think that's what it was. I think these hats should have been 25, but they were £12.50. I think that was it, and one set was £11.50. Yeah, so, and the t-shirts was like £5.50, so I got a couple of those. So I got a small in there in the youth size. Then obviously I've got the grey caps, and then I've got these white caps well, white and black, because obviously the sublimation will go on there. I mean, obviously you can use vinyl, you don't actually just have to use the sublimation, but that's what I want to do. And then we've got a medium t-shirt. Just get rid of the t-shirts. Another medium t-shirt. And then we've got a ladies 2XL t-shirt. And that's the V-neck one. And then the last things I got was the CRICUT glitter iron-on. This was the Smart Iron-on in gold, and you can see there. And then I think this was gold dust, but I can't really tell you what the difference is. I'm just going to see. But these were like a much bigger rolls. But I'm just going to take it out and see if it matches up. Because if it does, I'll be gutted, because one of them was like something should have been £40 and they were selling it off for 16. So I would have just got double that. Why do they have to make it so hard for you to get into these things? Oh, so after all that, it's so hard to get it out, and I'm thinking it's going to be so hard to actually get it back in. And I feel like this looks a bit lighter than this one. Maybe I could be wrong, I don't know. But either way, I can't see exactly what it says, how much you get on here. Oh yeah, so this one was 12 inches by 120 inches. And this makes no difference because it's giving you in inches in here and then meters. Oh no, inches there, so 13 inches by 9 foot, which I don't know how much that is. So let me ask Alexa. Alexa, how many inches is 9 foot?
9 feet is 108 inches.
Right, so this is 108 inches and this is 120 inches. So in hindsight, if I'd have known, like, I would have actually bought 2 of them, because what I'm doing is the personalising of the stockings and stuff, and the gold glitter really helps loads, and it looks so beautiful on the stockings. I don't really care for the Smart Iron-on. I don't actually use it as a smart. I still put it on the mat because I struggle to get it going through the machine twice. Now that could just be me, user error, I don't know, but every time I've done it, I've just really struggled with it, and it never seems to cut. Even with a fresh blade, like that day, first out the bag, it just never seems to cut right. So obviously it is a user error because it's only me it's happening to, so I tend to just like press the button and it'll just go through twice. But with the Smart Iron-on, it just doesn't seem to do that at all. So yeah, so I feel like I've just rabbited on, just talking about nothingness really there, so I do apologise. But yeah, I'd like to say huge thanks for watching. I hope you've liked this haul. Have you managed to get yourself a free hat press? And what do you think? Is CRICUT deciding to get rid of the hat press? Yeah, so thanks again for watching, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Bye!